Hello, well today we will see how to upload a single product. That means not a variant product, and explain everything what does that mean. So yeah, let's go ahead and first of all go to products, right? You go here to products. Next you will see that it is in English. Great, that is correct. And after we click on new product, straightforward. I will not type in everything, so just to make this tutorial as fast as possible, so I'm just gonna grab this product from another website. I'm not sponsored by them whatsoever, just to grab their information to give you a better example. Oops, I took myself. So here we go. Oops, let me just move my head out of the way and try to grab this information. I just click on Command C so that I just quickly copy everything and paste. There you go. So we have a title, the product name, that is the title of the product, and we have the slug. The slug, it is the URL that I will show later. So we have the first part. Now the second part is our custom fields. So if the product is coming from Shopify that you have imported it, that it will be one of our videos, you will see the ID here. If it's imported from WooCommerce, you will see that when imported from WooCommerce, you will see the ID from that product. It is very important that you put the weight of your product, so when in the shipping method, so that it can be calculated correctly. So first of all, and collections, what collection this belongs to? It is clothes. It belongs to the man, because we have a picture of a man, that's why. And I think so that's it. It could be a GIF, right? And after we have similar products that I'll explain later, basically similar products will appear under the product in the product page. I will just show later. First of all, if it's organic, yes, let's say it is organic and it has this is the facets. What facets does it have? Like the labels of the products. We will be continue adding more and more facets depending on how many people will be on Renue Marketplace. So here we go, we will add a product that you can just upload it from here. You just click here, and let's say this one, we already have that one. Let's see if we can find another image. Let's say this one. So there you go, and you upload it, and after we add the assets, there you go. And now usually a t-shirt has sizes, right? So it has an M, it has a small, it has an M, it has an L, and it has an XXL. There you go. And as you can see, it automatically updated all our variants. So a size of a t-shirt can be small, so you could have one small, you could have maybe another M size, L size, XXL size. So it needs these SAQ, as you can see, populated automatically. And you can say shirt, right? Well, you have shirt, let's say 112, right? And this could be 113, or it all depends how is your warehouse, if you have one, and etc. So the price of this, let's say $21.95. And as you can see, it populated all of them automatically, so you don't need to do all the work. And how many we have in stock? Let's say we have 20, and we have 20 of this, we have 30 of this, we have 40 of this, and we have 50 of this, right? Just to make it a little bit different. And that's it. And let's go, and now it is in English. Let's create, boom, and now it's created, right? Currently right now it is only in English, right? Let's take advantage and also create it in Spanish. Why not? So it was very easy. So we just click here, click on Spanish, and it switches to immediately to have it in Spanish. So all right, so let's see what we can do here. We can just grab here the title of this product, yeah, and just translate it. Why not? We go over here, we say Google Translate. Google Translate is not the best, but just for this tutorial, it can work. Sorry, let's go here, and if you translate your product, you have better chances of making a sale, because that will bring more visibility, right? So we click over here, copy here. Now it says in Spanish. Now we copy and paste, presentamos, great, and that's it. That's it, that's all. There's nothing else we need to do. And we click on update, and that's it. Now we have to look in our storefront. Let's see if we have it. Let's say switch to English. Now we are in English. Let's scroll down and see if we can find our product. And there you go. It's right there in close. So if not, if you don't see your product, you can just type in the title of your product. It starts with GOT, and there you go. And there it is. So we click on it, and here we go. There you go. We have our product. We have the title of our product. And we have the title of our product. And we have the sizes, so they can understand what size they will be using. They will be selecting, and the description of your product. This is about us, as we saw in our previous video. That's it. This is a simple product. Now let's see if it's translated in Spanish. There you go. Camisa de algodón, goat, presentamos, blah, blah, blah. And that's it. Everything gets translated, and it only took us a few minutes. And that's for now. That's about it. And thank you very much. And the next video will be variant products. So see you in the next video. Bye.